Yo, what's going on? It's your boy Montego Ramon back with another video with the Risers X channel, man. Y'all know what's going on. It's where we rise to the occasion. Man, had a killer trade on gold, y'all. Let me show y'all what happened. I'll set the replay here real quick. Let me see if I can set the replay here. Is that gonna let me set the replay up in this joint, man? Let me see. Where's my replay button? Bar replay, continue. So we're gonna go back to, bro, wait a minute, start over, bro. Confirmation exit. Alright, so where we at right now? Nah, we on gold. Alright, so that's where we originally at. Let me take y'all back real quick to the bar replay. Boom, start new. So I'm gonna take y'all back to about right here. Matter of fact, we'll come back right here. Okay. Oh, there you go. Play. All right, cool. So I want to come back to right here. Actually, I want to come back even a little further because what I saw was something totally different. Boom, we cut it right there. All right, as y'all can see, I'm out at the pool too right now with my daughter. She's back there. She's back there somewhere. She's back there with my sister right now. But yeah, man, we just hanging out at the pool, bro. I had a nice little trade today. So really what I saw, y'all, I was on the 1 hour watching tracking price. Right, I was on a 1 hour tracking price. I seen we came into here. I seen we came into this huge fair value gap here. It was basically fully mitigated with the top of that white wick over here on the inside. You can see right here we had it fully mitigated, meeting the top of this the candle right here. You see this white one, right? So let me grab some tools right quick. Right, so let me grab some tools. So I want to start with this candle, this one candle right here. This started right here, the bottom of this candle right here. So you can see we came down here. Then we had this huge displacement from this one candle, push all the way down here. We pulled all the way down here before we started pushing back up. Also filling this fair value gap area right here. This is the fair value gap, this candle right here, right? So you can see we came down, filled that, rejected up, filled this one, and then watch this. We're basically gonna move like this, come back, fill this gap, and then we started working our way down. Now, what I was looking for, I was trying to see if we were gonna, if this was just a mild pullback for us to continue up, right? But as you can see, because this was the area of resistance, it came down, made a higher low, making this the area of support, and then having this huge displacement up, right? And then we rejected from the top of here, because we're all in an uptrend, but we had some room down here to pull back into another fair value gap in this area. So that's kind of what I was targeting once I seen the rejection here. So, and then we basically gonna make a move, start making a move down here. Watch this, watch the rejection, because this is all I was waiting on. I wanted to see the 1 hour rejection. Right, boom, so we got that. I'm gonna go to the smaller time frames, start looking at smaller time frames. Boom, I seen we had an area to pull back into up here, right in this area, right? And then watch this. Let's keep going, go down to the 5 minute. I entered on the 5 minute, right? Entered on the 5 minute, waited on this pullback. Actually, hold on, because the trade was, I think this already went too far. Right, so I'll bring this back a little bit, because what happened was I took one loss because I tried to get in a little too soon, right? So I got in on this candle. It ended up rejecting from this area of support right here, right? So I'll draw that. It ended up rejecting from this area. It ended up rejecting from this area of support, basically. And then when you go to the smaller time frame, if I go to like a 2 minute, you'll see it came up to fill this gap here. There was a couple gaps. So you got a nice little fair value gap here. You got a nice little rejection here. And then we had some more fair value gaps pop up right here. So I'll draw out the area we wait on. Basically, as I'm drawing out that area, these are the areas I'm looking for a price to pull back into as we take our looking for entries, right? And so I wait on this pullback. I'll go back up to the 5 minute maybe in a second. But we got this pullback, and then basically I entered. Let me see, is that all the pullback was? It might have been all the pullback was. But basically, we got this pullback, and then I just entered. And we headed down to this other fair value gap down here, right? So I think I entered at about, it was on the 5 minute for sure. And I entered on this candle right here. Let me show y'all. Cause I'm watching it in real time as I enter. I just set we took a short, right? So we took a short. For y'all who don't know, that sun beaming out here, y'all, but we gonna get it done. I basically got in on the pullback of this candle. Cause what happened was I risked about 250 on that first trade. I went ahead and got out cause I was like, I didn't know how far it was gonna pull back. And then once I saw like, oh, it's giving me the move, I took that thing right to this area here. I took it right to this area here, which I'll draw a horizontal line across, right? And I only risked about, I might have risked about 500 to make, it was like somewhere under 500 to make 1565. I made 1700 on this trade because I was down a couple hundred on that first loss, but I had won a trade right before that. I was looking for buys last night. It didn't run a goal, so I just went ahead and took my little profit because I seen the structure starting to shift. So that's why it's important to be able to read that chart so you know I can read ahead of time like, hey, this thing is showing that it wants to start to move down, right? It gave me the shift of structure, and I'll show y'all that shift of structure. I'll show y'all that in a second. But basically I took this down to this level. Y'all can see that's basically a 1 to 4, right? And watch, you're gonna see this thing clear that level, right? Come on, come on, come on. I don't remember this pullback. I might have got out earlier, guys, so let's see if it even go all the way down there like I thought. But I know we made it to about that first level where it rejected, and then I got out the trade. And I'll show y'all the replay once I get back to my laptop, my iPad and everything. Yeah, let's see. Yeah, so that means I probably got out at this area, right? It was inside that gap. Yep, so it's inside the gap. Where's the gap at, guys? Maybe I got out of this gap then. I didn't even wait for it to go down far. So it was this gap then. So I got out of this gap. Right, it wasn't the other gap. Forgive me. I don't have my iPad on me right now. So I got out of this gap. That means I had even tighter stops because y'all don't remember my stop being that high. I only had it above this wick right here. I only had my stops. I was in 15 contracts. I entered 10 at first, and then I added another 5. So I only went for something like this. And then basically we want to trade. Now let me show y'all the shift of structure real quick, what happened. Because we were headed up, but what I saw was this move right here. Where we came from here, like we had made a little bit of structure in here, right? So I'm gonna just start with this white candle. We rejected down. Boom, shot up from there, not really making higher highs, kinda. I'll just go straight to this one, boom. Then we had the displacement come under there, right? And we started creating a little bit of structure under here. We started creating a little bit of structure under here, right? Had a little bit of consolidation down here as it's rejecting out the support level. If you look left, you can see this is another area of support where it bounced from. And then we shot up here, right into the fair value gap, but under kind of the major structural points, right, still. And then I'm like, okay, we coming down. So once we made this move, I'm just looking in this area now for rejections to basically take the trade down into here, right? And so that's what I saw, guys. and that's how we won that trade. So probably gonna end this video. Hey man, y'all have a beautiful day. Happy trading, man. It's your boy Montego Ramon with the Rise Deck channel, where we rise to the occasion, man. Peace.